Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Akhila Murthy. Today we are diving into one of the most fascinating signs, Kanya Rashi or Virgo zodiac. In this video, we'll uncover their personality traits, relationship dynamics, life goals, and the connection with their ruling planet, Mercury. And as a bonus, I've included a short story that brings their essence to life. Let's get started. Virgo or Kanya Rashi is the sixth sign of the Bhachakra or natural zodiac. As an earth sign, Virgos are known for their grounded, practical nature, ruled by the planet Mercury or Buddha. They are analytical thinkers with a sharp intellect and incredible attention to detail. They notice the smallest detail and strive for excellence in everything they do. Virgos don't shy away from putting in the effort required to achieve their goals. They believe in working with the facts rather than getting lost in fantasies. Though they might not openly express their feelings, Virgos have a deep desire to help others. While their analytical mind is a strength, it can sometimes make them overly critical of themselves and others. In relationships, they are loyal and devoted partners. They value honesty, stability, and mutual respect. However, their tendency to focus on imperfections can sometimes create friction. They express love through actions rather than words, making them reliable and caring companions. In the workplace, Kanya Rashi individuals excel as planners, organizers, and problem solvers. Their methodical approach and ability to think critically make them indispensable team members. They are great mentors who encourage others to reach their full potential. Let's take a moment to picture a small library in a quiet town. One day, a young man named Vijay, a dedicated volunteer, finds the library in chaos. Books scattered everywhere. Without hesitation, Vijay rolls up his sleeves and begins organizing the mess. A friend stops by and asks, "Why bother spending so much time on this? The library will function just fine as it is." Vijay smiles and replies, "When things are in order, everything feels more peaceful and I won't stop until it's perfect." This is the essence of a Virgo, a relentless pursuit of perfection, combined with a quiet determination to make the world a better place. Virgo's symbol is the maiden, often depicted holding a sheaf of wheat. This represents purity, humility, and a deep connection to harvesting and nurturing, just as Virgos seek to cultivate meaningful results from their hard work. The geometrical symbol of Kanya Rashi is rather complex. There are three vertical lines which are joined at the top with each other, and there is one line which resembles a serpent whose tail forms a cross with the last vertical line. The symbol also resembles a small M, the alphabet, but with a tail tucked in. This sign represents energy which is flowing in a certain direction, but the tucked in tail creates a confusion. In the sense, the youthful innocence is apparent but makes the Virgo skeptical. This is the reason why they don't open up and always wait and watch the attitude. If you take a closer look at the symbol, you can see a pattern of continuity indicating constant efforts towards any task without feeling let down by failures or criticism. The ruling planet is Buddha or Mercury, which enhances Virgo's intellectual prowess and communication skills. It also introduces a duality in their personality. They are both logical and curious, practical and creative. Kanya Rashi individuals aim for a life of balance and order. Their goal often revolve around self-improvement, contributing to others' well-being and achieving tangible results in their endeavors. Whether in their career, relationship, or personal development, Virgos thrive on progress and precision. However, this quest for perfection can sometimes lead to overthinking or self criticism. It's essential for Kanya Rashi individuals to embrace self care and allow themselves moments of imperfections to truly grow. So, there you have it, a complete dive into Kanya Rashi or Virgo zodiac sign. From their incredible dedication to their analytical brilliance, Virgos truly stand out in their unique way. Do you know someone who embodies these traits, or are you a Virgo yourself? Let me know in the comments, and if you want me to explore another zodiac sign next, drop your suggestion below. Stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next episode.